What's up guys, my name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and today we're reviewing the biggest suitcase I've ever seen. The suitcase that we're reviewing today is a brand called MONOS, which I've worked with before, but this video is not sponsored. I actually got this myself because I don't have any luggage that I want to check in, so I figured I'd get the biggest one in existence. For those of you that have been around, you'll probably remember I did a MONOS suitcase review a couple months back with their limited edition Terrazzo line, and that was itty bitty compared to this beast. So like I said, this is the company MONOS, and this is their check-in large, which is the biggest suitcase that they make, and I got it in the gorgeous color Blue Haze, which is, I don't even know if the camera's able to pick this up, but it's a sky baby blue and it is so cute. So let's go ahead and review some of these pieces. This video is not sponsored. I do have an affiliate link, but I got this myself with my own money and I needed a big suitcase, and boy did they deliver. Let's get into the video and show you if this could be the right mega suitcase for you. So let's open up this big mama and take a look together and see if these features differ a little bit from the smaller suitcases. Like I said, I have the limited edition Terrazzo carry-on suitcase, and let's go ahead and see if the check-in has some notable features. For those of you that aren't aware, your suitcase will come with a built-in TSA-approved lock. It'll be set at 000 for the combo. You can go ahead and slide it open, and that opens up your zippers. So let's see what we got here. Push it back some for you guys. Whoa. Okay, I'm not kidding, this takes up almost 2/3 of my queen size bed. So the length of the bed, 2/3 of it is covered. Nuts. Let me go ahead, I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer and show you a little bit of the features that this suitcase offers. As with all of the MONOS products, it comes with a pouch here that gives you a nice little note, which is really sweet. And inside we've got, you know, our vegan luggage tag that comes with all the suitcases, and a little sponge that removes scuffs and marks from the outside when you wet it. So that is awesome. And this one also comes with the, I believe it is antibacterial shoe bag, and then a couple of laundry bags as well. A set of 3, which is so handy when you're on the road. And the main feature I wanted to show you is right here. There are actually 2 separate compartments right here. So we could put shoes here, accessories here, what have you, but they're separated and divided in the middle here so that it kind of offers a little bit of versatility in what you could have in one versus the other. Another thing that I thought was really cool was when you open this guy and you pull it open, we've got a mega compacting strap that fastens right here, so you could easily tighten that down if you've got a big bit of a bulge here, but you could really compact it down and fit a ton in here. As you saw from the thumbnail, I practically fit in here, and that actually might be a good travel hack. Pack yourself in your check-in and you get cheaper flights. So that was really cool, I thought. And then of course we've got this beautiful little zipper in here that could hold a ton of different things. It's up to your discretion. We close that up and let's flip this guy around. So I have not opened this side, believe it or not, because I was laying in that side. Let's see, so we've got a beautiful, huge mesh pack right here. Little section, be good for you name it. And then let's open this big guy up. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. All the room to lay down as you could want. So that is really, really awesome, guys. And that pretty much does it for the inside. Let's take a look at some of the features on the outside that I want to highlight. So one of the features that, as previously mentioned in my other video, I am a huge fan of is these 360 really smooth and quiet wheels. So we've got 4, so you can easily bring your bag just right along with you as you're walking, running maybe, if you're like me, you're gonna catch a flight. But yeah, these are one of my favorite things, and they're actually made from a really, really solid company, if I'm not mistaken. So that's a really cool feature I wanted to highlight. Also, we've mentioned before, we've got that TSA-approved lock here. We've got a handle on the side to help you pull your luggage off of the belt. And we've got a pull at the top, another strap here. And we've got a telescopic handle that is supposed to be really, really durable and not get stuck like all of the other ones. Look at that, I can't even get the whole thing in the frame. Yeah, but this guy, I love the color and the polycarbonate shell on the outside. I think it's like aerospace grade. I mentioned that in my other video. I just thought that was pretty badass. So, like I said, this video isn't sponsored. I do have a coupon code though if you want to use it. I'll link it down in the description. And maybe you want to get one of these. I think they're having a sale. They're always having sales, so check that out if you want. But I can't wait to use this on my birthday weekend coming up soon and take a trip down south to the Keys and bring everything I could ever want and more in this giant suitcase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. I always appreciate that. And go ahead and subscribe. We're always doing travel and lifestyle related content right here on my YouTube channel. If you want, comment below. Is this a suitcase for you, or is it just too damn big? Let me know your thoughts and sound off below. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.